We gotta watch that sucker. That could be coming right at us.
Yep.
On the ground.
Huge tornado on the ground just north of Canadian, Texas. We're shooting video of it right now. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yep. Emily, we're just on the north side of Canadian, Texas. We've got a large tornado on the ground. We filmed it as long as we could. We've got to turn around and go south. It's coming right at us. Large tornado on the ground. It looks like it's going to move right into Canadian, Texas from the north. And so we'll go up here and try to get south a little bit, where we can maybe even get south of town, where we turn around and give you a better shot of it. But Canadian, Texas is in imminent danger. It's a very large tornado. It looked like it was probably at least a quarter mile wide. We couldn't see the ground level because of our railroad tracks were blocking our view of the ground. But give me just a minute, Emily. I've got to deal with some traffic and law enforcement. But it looks like it's going to move right into Canadian from the north. And it's right. Hang on, I'm going to look right behind us. Yeah, it's huge. Okay.
There it is.
Look at all these people. Look at all these people.
Huge.
Oh, that thing is huge. It's massive.
It's weakening. Maybe a new one forming right over here, though.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that came out of nowhere.
Yeah, it did. Oh man, that's awesome.
Trying to rope out.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, that back edge is really twisted.
Right over here. Let's get ready to tornado right here. There you go. There was hundreds of people standing in the streets out there. I couldn't believe that.
When we pulled up to the bridge, when we seen it,
Yeah.
the kid got out of the truck and ran down that bridge.
Ah.
Start the rope again. Funny getting that thing.
The way it is.
Right there. I think it's multiple vortex right now. We got multiple vortex on the ground right there.
It's
See
on
it?
the ground.
There it is.
It's on the
Yep.
ground. It's gonna be a big one.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I started out as multiple vortex. So yeah, that's just that's going to be just, I think, northwest of Canadian, and I mean, it's not very far outside of town either. We're on a hill just on the south edge of town, and yeah, it went up. But I think this is as good. That looks as good as I've looked it's looked in 30 minutes.
It's still good.
Yeah, we got another. I think it's multiple vortex right now. We just can't see the vortices. Yeah, it's multiple vortex. We got it. Yeah. So anyway, okay. All right. Bye. All right. Okay. All right. Bye.
Yeah, I'm still watching the deal on the right.
Yeah. See that little vortices right there?
Mm-hmm. I think it's moving. It's still on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we got a good. It's moving that way.
It's right here. Yep. Big tornado back there now.
I wish it'd get out from behind there.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's moving south. It was over
Yep.
here on the right side of the Thor building. It obviously ain't coming right at us, or you'd see every one of those people up there hauling.
Yep.
See it roping?
Yep. It went in, it's going into that rain now. Okay, Emily, we're on the south edge of Canadian. This new tornado that just formed here is going to be just on the southwest corner of Canadian, Texas. And about 10 minutes ago, we had a multiple vortex that formed just northwest of Canadian, moved due south along the probably a couple of miles west of Canadian, and then broadened out into a cone. And then rain wrapped in on it, choked it off. Now we've got a new one forming right here. This is going to be tornado number, I think we're at 6 or 7 now on this storm. And we've been, you know, funny thing is we've been within 15 miles for 2.5 hours now on this one storm. And
oh, this is just pulling its energy over here. Nope, there it goes. There it goes. Right in front of us, Mike.
Oh, sure enough. Yep, yep.
One beside us too.
Yeah, this one's going away. That could be a monster. The whole thing's lowering.
And that one may go right through town.
That one's, the whole thing's lowering. There it goes on the right side. Look at it, it's all grouping up right there on the right.
I've been using my phone camera more than I have my
See it starting to bowl right here on the right hand side. There you go. You got a funnel coming down. That mezzo we was watching over here is coming back into it.
It's sucking into it.
I believe that's going to be north of town.
On the north edge, anyways.
There you go. Got a cone coming down right there. It's on the ground. Tornado on the ground.
On the ground.
Yep.
You recording? Yeah.
On the ground.
Another tornado on the ground.
It's dang sure. Got an edge coming up.
I think there's a wedge.
Yeah.
I can see a wedge right back in there.
That's what I'm talking
through
about.
the haze.
Yeah. Right behind that tree on the left side of the road up there.